respected teachers and honorable judges. Myself, Jahnavi Raghav Singh, I am pursuing third year CSC at GET Engineering College, Rajahmundry. Today, I would like to share my views and ideas on given topic Vigilant India and Prosperous India. Firstly, we'll go to the meaning of vigilant. The meaning of vigilant is nothing but to take care, to keep an eye on it. Now, coming to the actual topic. In what way we can make our country as prosperous country? Like we can see, but taking care on some things, it can lead to make our country as prosperous India. Let's see. Firstly, we have to take care of our area and our area cleanliness. Then only we can make our country as prosperous India, because we can see due to the lots of waste plastic we cannot develop our country, right? And we have to also take care of the poor people. We have to remove the poor people from our country. We have should be all should be equal in our country. And next, we can also see in our country there are lots of people torturing women, right? We have to take a serious action on it to make our country as prosperous country. Not only that, in our country there is lots of corruption. We have to stop that corruption, then we can make our country as prosperous country. In the same way, every citizen of our country should be with integrity, then only we can make our country as prosperous country, right? Let's see one by one why we have to be with integrity. Let's go with a small example. If the person in the border, it's none other than soldier, if he was not with an integrity, he left the job, means he is not working with integrity. Let's see what happens. Can we sleep easily? No, we have to fear, because we don't know which person will come from which side and kill us, right? So we can see the soldier who is working for us with integrity, even he is not caring about his life, right? So we can't be with integrity. We should be with integrity. We can want to end the corruption. With corruption, see, we are paying lots of lakhs and lakhs rupees as tax to the government, right? Where is the money going on? We can't see the changes in our technology or our country. Even from our parents' childhood, our India is a developing country, developing country, developing country. Who knows when our India will become the developed country, right? So, firstly, to make our country as developed country, we should end the corruption. We should bring back the black money which was taken to the Swiss banks, right? And we have to distribute to our people. Then only our India will become the prosperous India, right? Okay, we can see whenever we go on roadsides, we see lots of people dying with an hunger. They don't even have a food to eat, no water to drink. How they can live? We have to think, right? Everyone's saying India is a dirty India. Is our India dirty? Yes, we see lots of people. They are not using the washrooms. They are going outside. There are so many people who don't bath. The people who are in footpath, they get lots of smell from that people. Yes, we get the smell. Why? They don't even have enough money to eat food. Then where they can buy the soaps and they can bath, right? It's so, see, they are dying without food. They don't even have a shelter. We have to think for them. They are our country citizens. They are also human beings, right? We have to change our country. How we can change? How we can fight for them? So we have an idea, just a simple idea. If they are good, they can have a good hands, legs, they can have a ability to work. What we can do? We should establish companies, industries. We have to take them. We have to give work to them. And we should develop our country. If you develop an industry or company, we have to make a rule that certain industry should take a person and they have give the work. Then he to get the money, he can eat for themselves, they can clean their surroundings. Then our India will be developed, right? We should stop the corruption. We should be with integrity. We should establish companies. We should give workers to the person who don't even have a food to eat. We should make them to work. We should give them a job. Then we can see a lot of change in our country. I can promise you. Because if they got the work, they have a food to eat, then why they will be on the roadside? They will be in a shelter. We can see in our country there are only a few richer men, but there are lots of poor. We can see in front of temples, in front of railway stations, buses. Why it's happening only in our country? Let's think, guys. It's a chance for us to make our country as a prosperous country. Let's fight for it. We should, young people, we students should fight for it, and we should get that justice. And we, one and only we can do. We can bring justice to our country. We can make our India as prosperous India. If we take care of these people, we should take care of poverty. We should take care of the poor people. We should take care of the cleanliness. We should stop the corruption. We should be with integrity. Then only we can make our country at prosperous India. We can make prosperous India only with vigilance India. Jai Hind. I hope you can take some of these points and will fight for our country. Jai Hind. Thank you for giving me this golden opportunity.